This short guide shows how to buy shares of Vita 34 AG listed on Xetra under the ticker V3V.de. Vita 34 is a German cord blood and stem cell bank, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a buy order. Open the platform search, type the ticker V3V.de, and select the Vita 34 AG listing from the results to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart, check the exchange shows Xetra, and confirm this is the correct Vita 34 AG listing. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. Once purchased, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.